How to fix REDnote app keeps pausing. Now there are multiple errors on why this is happening, and there is just a common way in order to fix the problem. Now the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and open up your settings right here. If you're using something like Android device, you can go ahead and fix this by navigating through the app list. Now if you're using something like an Apple device, you can just navigate through the storage settings, and from there you can then go ahead and find the application and click on clear data. Now in our case it's going to be Android, so I'll just go ahead and click on the app list right here. It will go ahead and take us to the full list of the installed application to our mobile devices. Once you're here, you simply want to go ahead and look for the REDnote application. From here, click on storage and cache, click on clear storage, and you can also go ahead and click on clear cache. Now this will go ahead and delete data from the application, and right after opening back the application, this will go ahead and slightly fix the problem, and that includes the application pausing on your mobile devices. And so if this video has been helpful, leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.